I am going to go ahead and drill my peg head. Remember, we have our spacing. I'm going to go ahead and get my center punch. Let's move back so you can see what I'm doing. There we are. Amazing how when you change the location of a tool, then it seems like for a month afterwards, you have to go and hunt it up every time. All right. Grab myself a 1/4-inch drill bit. And the drill is right there. Alrighty, so 1/4-inch. Let me find a little scrappy scrap. Hey, that works. I think I will go ahead and tape the back side of this, even though I'm on a sacrificial surface, because I really don't even know. We are just making a prototype for this video. And my contest entry will be like everybody else's contest entry. Fresh. Alright, so alright, let's see how we did. Alright, not too bad. Got a little tear out. Not too bad at all. Little drop of glue here and there, and then sanding down, and we will come off just fine. And with as much trouble as I had learning how to route this out with the new router, and You know, having ruined a couple, you know, you learn something about a new tool, even if it's a tool that you've used over and over for a long time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get my sanding done, and then we'll come back and see where we go from there. Everybody's going to have 10,000 opinions. Why do you use Clorox wipes? Well, it's cheap and it works. And if you have any spots that are jagged, this wipe is going to catch on it. And that's handy because it lets you know what needs attention. And all right, that works. So now we are going to assemble. Throw that away. Actually, now we're going to do our fretboard. Put the mask on. All right. Mask off. Grab our wipe. I did not mechanically sand the back of the fretboard. Once we did that manually, I haven't sanded it further because I want it to have some tooth so that it grips the soundboard. All right, so now we have the fussy, well, I'm sure it's going to be a fussy job to set all of the frets. Hey you all, if you want to get in on this plank dulcimer challenge, it'll be our first project of 2026. I'd like to do a challenge every month. I don't know if that'll happen. But the Soldier Farms Plank Dulcimer Challenge begins January 5th, 2026. The brief is build a plank dulcimer based on the Hee-Haw plank from 1976. I will link information, an article by Shane Speal on in the description of the video. I'll also put it on my community page, and you know, there will either be a file there you can download or you know, some links. So the rules of the challenge are fairly simple and straightforward. You must begin with a board, either a single piece or a glue up, any wood that you want to use, no larger and no smaller than 24 inches in length, 3.5 inches wide, and 3/4 of an inch thick, you know, 1x4. So your dulcimer must have 3 strings, a fretboard, a nut, a bridge, a tailpiece, must be fretted and tuned. Number 3, a chambered body is optional. Electronics or not. We're not getting into electronics. It's an acoustic instrument. So you may use commercial strings, but no tuning machines. Make your tuners. Either make tuning pegs like I am, use some eye bolts, eye screws. I've even seen it done with cup hooks. It's very interesting. So then you're to enter, comment your channel name under the hashtag SF Plank Dulcimer Challenge. Number 6, video reveal must be received no later than January 16th, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. And that's all the way across the country. So if you live in California, yours is due at midnight for you. If you live in Nova Scotia, well, your entry is due at midnight for you. So your string gauges, you're going to have a melody string, which is a .012, a middle .014, and a bass string .024. These are very light gauges. It's a dulcimer. It'll be twangy. So that's only a suggestions, but please review the attached article, and there are a couple of videos on the subject instrument, and I look forward to seeing all of your entries. And it's a challenge. I'll see if I can come up with some prizes. Thank you.